Minasan konnichiwa. Hope everyone's good. It's time for an ADC update, so let's get cracking with the nagging. So I'll start off with the phone. It's still the iPhone with the battery pack, which surprisingly is fully charged this time. Normally that's flat. So that's the phone. Got a bandana. It's the Bundeswehr military issue Trianglia bandana. Got the Zippo running again. Unfortunately the brass one is no more. I lost it and I found it again, but it was like that by the side of a road, and I think a car's gone straight over, not a road but like a dirt road by a field. So I think a tractor or something's gone straight over the lid, and this bit was mashed into the dirt, so beyond repair because this lid was just crushed completely flat. And I managed to rescue the insert. It's not really damaged, but it was filled with dirt up here and it's still got a bit in it, but it works. So lucky I had the spare case, but I prefer the old style brass and silver cases rather than these themed cases. But I'm still thinking about ordering another Douglas lighter. I still never got the other one, so might order another one. Anyway, got the Triavax mini notepad. Flashlight. Still the Armitech Elf C2. Still the best that I've used so far. Keys I think have changed a tiny bit. I've still got the Swedish Army Light My Fire Ferrocerium rod. The Uncle Bill Slither grippers. Put the Leatherman squirt PS4 back on, and the Phoenix NW20 whistle. Don't know what's going on with this camera, but there you go, Phoenix NW20, and the Olight I1R EOS, which is still working perfect. I think it's coming up to over a year now. Multi-tool, still the Victorinox Spirit, still the best. And the knife, a little homemade pouch for it, is Nagaho Higo no Kami with the blue paper steel and the gun metal stonewash handle. Still an awesome knife and still one of my favourites. And for the wallet, I'm going back to the Fly Industries EDC wallet. And the contents of this hasn't changed, it's still the same as it was in the last video, just a different wallet, so I won't bother going into that. So the watch is still the GA100 MC. So I got a new patch from Varistaleka. It's a "Don't Sneeze on Me" patch, which I thought was amusing, so I got it. And the bag is my hybrid Czechoslovakian M60, mounted onto a Swedish or Swiss, can't remember which one, M35 steel frame. It's one of the best packs that I've found is an EDC pack, very versatile. I like it a lot as is. And I've just got the Mount Fuji patch and the British-Japanese friendship pin. So the contents of the bag changes constantly depending on what I want to do. But as far as today goes, I've got a pouch, and in here I've got a battery charger and charging cables, and that's all that's in there. For some reason I've got a plastic tube that contained bank line. I remember putting that in there, but it's there. Falcon Ivan DC4 field sharpener with sandpaper and a little strop with some compound on it, and fork, because I am planning on having lunch in the woods today. Normally that wouldn't be there. But I got toilet roll, I got some nitrile gloves and a mask and hand sanitizer. The shops are starting to stock this now. This is a brand new one, I got it from Nisa. I don't know if all of them are stocking it, but the one here is. And a new item, which I don't EDC, but like I say, I'm having lunch today in the woods, and this is brand new, unissued, German mess kit. It needs to lose its virginity, so I brought that out for today. I'll do a separate video maybe. Meths, just in case I run out. Trangia burner, again not an EDC item, but it's there. First aid kit. I just got some more nitrile gloves, Israeli bandage, basic boo-boo kit, burn kit there, since I like fire. And the stove for the Trangia, again not an EDC item. Osprey water bottle, would be the Swiss M84, but I can't find that anywhere, I don't know where it's gone. Miltech waterproof coat, Schmag, and the Sama Mini Jacapuco. So that's my EDC for this month. I'll have lunch now. I don't know if I'll film it. If I do, it'll be a different video to this one. But for this video, thanks for watching. Chana.